Next up, I grabbed another set of ththese Pentel Energel Pearl pens. I guess pearl is just the style because of the white / pearl coating on the outside. I'm not entirely sure. It's just white, but I kind of like it. It is a really nice looking pen, but in essence, it is just a Pentel Energel. It is a 0.5 black ink with a needle tip. And you guys know needle tip has kind of been my preference for quite some time. It's just really, really easy to write with. I love, love, love these pens. I think that they write really nicely and just smoothly. So I'm just gonna kind of write these in cursive. My cursive is hideous. And then you can kind of see I'm going to take one of these Aloha pens right here. Actually, I'll do one with the Aloha pen or marker, and you can see there's like no smudging there. And then let's go ahead and grab a mild liner, since I do have those within reach, and there's also no smudging with the mild liner either. So that's another reason why I like them. Again, I prefer to highlight first and then write over the pen, but these are great with highlighters, even if you're writing first and then going with the highlighter. So mine can actually be found also at my local grocery store, but for a few weeks they were out. So I ordered a pair or a set on Amazon. But if you're looking for just a nice looking, very basic pen to write with that writes really well, this is one. I don't like the other barrels. They just look very, almost like my work pens. I don't like that. All right, let's move on to all of the stickers. So I placed an order through Planner Kate, which I do typically about once a month. Of course, her orders come with some samplers, and I think when I tossed mine on my craft table, a few of them might be missing already. So they normally come with 5 samplers. Here's 3 of them. I don't really worry about the samplers too much. In fact, a lot of times I end up giving them away or giving them to my daughter or my daughter's friends. So I got 2 kits. Oh, there's a few more. See, there were the other 2. I was like, they're in here somewhere. I do like that one. That is like the new like back to school type of sampler, so that's really cute. Let me get those out of the way. I did order 2 different kits through Planner Kate, so let me sort of separate those. These literally just came out of my, like the mailer that they came in. So the first kit is kit 411C, and these are from the March release. I mean, I would think that that's obvious, but maybe not. So these are from the March release. Again, when peach is combined with a really pretty color like a mint or a lighter blue, I think it's really beautifully done. And this is just a really pretty spring kit. This is in the new format that she is doing her kits in, with this different font and more of the doodles, which I think is just beautiful. So I got the main sampler. I did get the washi strips. I also got the full boxes, since I do use my vertical for more decorative planning. And I also got the thick washi because I like to cover the bottom part of my Moxie Life planner with the thicker washi. And Kate now offers the date covers in Moxie Life version. So it even says Moxie over here in parentheses. So you do have the Monday through Thursday all together, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which is just perfect, like absolutely perfect. So that's probably how I'm going to be ordering my kits from her from now on. So the other one kit that I got was the St. Patrick's Day kit. And I pretty much did the same thing. So I got the main sampler here, I got the washi strips right here, and then the full boxes, and of course the thick washi and the new date cover. So I'm really, really excited about that, to have my March kits all settled. And it's still January. I feel like I have my life together. So there's the Planner Kate haul. Okay, so I also placed an order through Monarch Plans. I've recently started ordering from her specifically for some Moxie Life kits. I always like her weekly reflections kits, and for a while there I was ordering them in the A5 size, and then I decided to move my weekly reflections to my 7x9 Moxie Life, so I ordered a few of those. There's a Valentine's one, and you'll see that some of them I ordered in multiples because I just felt like they were seasonally specific. So some of these are for for January. I'm not really sure what month this one is from, but I did like the blue, so that could still be maybe even one for February too. There's a little bit of pink in there. This one is more of a Christmas one, so I'm going to save it for later. I mean, it could also be a winter one, but I feel like I'm running out of time to use that. And of course, I got a couple of these as well, because on the weekly reflections page, it doesn't have to be very theme specific. So I just grabbed ones that I really liked. But it does have all of the reflections questions, or like the prompts. So it has your wins, what worked, what didn't, adjustments, and lessons. So I really like that. I also grabbed a monthly kit for the Moxie Life, which I thought was really cute. It also matches the weekly reflections. I thought that was neat if you like everything to match. So I grabbed both sheets. So the main kit that obviously has the month and the days and the date covers, as well as the one with the washi strips and some additional script stickers at the bottom. I also grabbed a January kit, not really sure when I thought that this was going to arrive, but it looks like I will be able to hang on to this for next year. This kit is just really pretty. And I don't know if I had an extra one of these accidentally put in my order, but 2 did come in my order. Could have sworn I just picked one, but I order like the Fast and the Furious, so who knows what happened when I ordered. So that's everything for that particular order. Then I grabbed some kits from Hand Can Plan. You guys know that she is one of my absolute favorite shops. Love to be able to incorporate her stickers in my weekly lineups whenever I can. So she included this freebie, which is also a sneak peek. I know that she has been adding some of these doodles available on their own individual sheets. So maybe this is something that we will see her add to her shop here really soon. I really love the YouTube and the Instagram and like the notes, things like that. There's a lot of really cute stickers in here that I may end up ordering if she offers them individually on their own sheets. So the first kit that I got is her Mellow Yellow kit. You guys know yellow is one of my absolute favorite colors. So of course I got the washi strips and the date covers. Love those. Love this artwork. I got the full boxes. I think I just went ahead and got the whole full kit. This one's got some flags, half boxes, and quarter boxes, as well as some of the dot stickers that I love. Then I also got the Deco Scripts sheet. I love this because it includes just obviously some of the scripts that she offers in her kits, but these are great to add onto your kits for the week. And then of course I got the matching Mellow Yellow washi because again, I want the washi for the bottom and then right under the date covers. So it really just included everything and I was like, why not? I'm pretty sure this was during one of her sales, but her stickers are so well made. It is just so freaking worth it. You don't even have to wait for a sale. Totally worth it. The next kit I got was the Rainbow Dreams. So for Black Friday, she actually offered as one of her freebies some samplers of this kit, and I instantly fell in love with this kit. It is just so cute. I love like the navy with like the coral and the light blue, just really pretty. So of course I got the washi strips with the date covers. And then the full boxes, and there are also some appointment labels here on the bottom as well, so she makes really good use of her sheets. Then the box or the page that has the full boxes and the quarter boxes, dots, and flags. Again, just sheets full of stickers from top to bottom. The Deco Scripts, the Deco and Scripts sheet as well. Again, just really pretty. And of course, the washi sheet as well. All right, so that's everything that I got from Hand Can Plan. Next up, it would not be a haul video if I didn't get something from Chrissy and Designs. So I ordered enough this time around to earn a free binder. When you reach $100 in your cart at Chrissy and Designs, you can get one of her new binders for free. So that is awesome. And I've kind of been wanting this one for a little bit. And of course, I got it in yellow. I'm kind of kicking myself though, because I think I saw someone with the purple, I believe, and that one is really nice. So let's open it up. So she has recently decided to offer all of her samplers in like sampler packs. So I got both of those and I was kind of leaving them in these pouches until I filmed this video. So I'm so glad that I'm now finally getting around to this because these are just really fun to have in your collection. And I do intend on using them, not just staring at them. So you get the sampler for the month for each month. And I love this because there's so many that I had missed throughout the year just because I didn't get an order in that month and I just didn't need something like this sampler. I'm like, oh my God, yes, absolutely perfect. So she even puts on here like the sampler features some customer favorites, and she will tell you like if they're available on their own sheet, what sheet they are on, so you can find them. If you're like, I really love these stickers, this is CAD 08416, like that is so awesome. And then there's those. I mean, this was also one of my favorites. I think I only got one that month and I was like, oh my God, didn't get one this month, so I'm excited. This is from September 2021, December 21, November 21. I have like 5 of these, 5 or 6 because of Black Friday, Pink Friday, all that stuff. October 21, I have a ton of these as well because she had released some amazing $2 Tuesdays, and every time I ordered one, I got a sampler. So there's that. This set comes with all of the samplers from 2020. Boy, was that a year, right? So this is January, you got February, March, April, May, June, maybe, oh yes, July, duh, it's right on there, July. I don't think I ordered anything this month, so this one is really cute because you can see it has like the little craft card. I'd rather be crafting. Oh my gosh, really, really cute. Then you've got the August 2020, September, October, November, and then December, which also has a lot of creative things to it, like the ruler, the binder clip, things like that. Do something creative today. Really, really cute. I like that. So now I have every sampler she has made for the last 2 years. Super excited. I have no doubt that she will do this again for 2022, so very awesome. These are the actual binder sheets that I went ahead and ordered. I just put everything in the binder for this video. So she now offers these neutral steves, which I was like, wait a second, what? When I saw these, I was so excited. So of course I ordered a sheet. I got the planner kit. I think that this is from the Celebrations collection, and these are the add-on sheets for it. So I just never ended up using this kit, and I was like, I would love to get the add-ons. So I got a few sheets of those to include the date covers and the additional deco half boxes and appointment labels. So I'll definitely be using that soon. I saw this quote sheet. I thought that this was really cool, you know, kind of fun to have something, you know, if you just want to add something to your planner. Also good for like daily pages when you just want to fill up some space if you need to. This is the part that has me most excited. She has now started offering her monthly kits in this, like, I think it's called Flora Design. I might need to go back and check the website, but you can basically order your monthly kits for the entire year. And I went with about 6 months or so. And on the drop down, you can just go ahead and pick the corresponding skinny appointment labels, which is great. You no longer have to order that one customizable sheet and put in the notes to make it match like we were all doing before, because that was Sam over at Happily Housewife's amazing idea. So I went ahead and got February. I mean, there's just something calming about this because now I don't have to stress about having my monthly kits in time. Here is March. And then the matching skinny labels. These are absolutely beautiful, especially this like lighter green and this blush color. Really, really pretty. Here is April. And then you have May. I love May. I mean, maybe I'm a little bit biased, but May is my birthday month, but I absolutely love that. And then here's June, very Father's Day looking, I believe. It kind of reminds me of one of the Celebrations collections Father's Day theme colors. And then there are the appointment labels, and then I got July. Again, I love the way that she doesn't just stick to like the traditional red, white, and blue. So it's a little bit of like, there's obviously blue, but there's like that nice hot pink, light pink, and then the lighter blue, which is really nice. And then the matching appointment labels. So that is everything that I got from Chrissy and Designs. All right, everyone, that is everything for today's haul video. As I said before, I will leave as many links as I possibly can to the different shops from everything that I have purchased and shared with you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you were already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.